Before cleaning your BradyPrinter i3300, be sure it is fully powered off by pressing the front power button and toggling the rear power switch. Then, remove the power cord completely. Open the case, drop the print head, and remove the print ribbon and material spool. Use a Brady alcohol cleaning swab to thoroughly wipe the black strip portion of the print head with firm pressure. Use a fresh swab, if necessary, to clean the 3 sensors. The gap sensor can be seen here above the Platen Roller. You can find the notch sensor behind the left-facing media guide. The cutter sensor can be accessed by pinching the cutter head release tabs and lowering the cutter head assembly completely. Rest assured, this does not expose the cutting blade itself. While in this area, you can also clean the cutter blade backplate, the open space located behind the cutter sensor. Clean the Platen Roller by swabbing the entire length of the roller. Manually advance the roller with firm finger pressure. You will feel resistance against the roller drive gears but will not damage them. Continue to swab and rotate until the entire roller is clean.